everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 30th of April and we're here for nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB. For all those children who have worked so hard this week trying to earn the Golden Ticket. And there were lots and lots to choose from this week. So I know it was a really hard job for all the teachers. So well done to all of you winners out there. If it isn't you this week, just keep watching those, keep copying those children. You can see who they are, copy them, and who knows, next Friday, it could be you up here getting the Golden Ticket. Right, let's start off this morning in nursery. We've got 2 children in nursery. This child has settled back into nursery fantastically. He is curious, eager to learn, and is learning to share well with his friends. Fantastic, being really independent. This child is becoming more confident in her abilities. She is always happy and has been trying hard to write her name. Great work indeed. Golden tickets go to Alfie and Lily Rose. Well done, Alfie. With a big smile. Well done, Lily Rose. Look, happy they're playing away. Well done, you two. Fantastic being independent learners, doing really, really well back at school. Huge congratulations. Take these home with you on Friday. Fantastic job. I'm so proud of you. Look, you're working so hard. So keep it up, guys. Well done, nursery children. Moving on. Go to Turtle class. Look at Turtle class. Look. Miss Ruffles' Golden Ticket winner. This child has been a pleasure to teach this week, trying hard in every lesson. He is polite and helpful to his classmates and the adults working in reception. Huge well done to Kylo. There he is. Look at that. Good boy, Kylo. Well done. Run as fast as you can. Can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Well done, Kylo. Huge congratulations, buddy. Really well deserved. Fantastic writing there. Retelling your story of the gingerbread man. So well deserved. Proud of you, buddy. Well done. Moving on to the Sharks. Look at their shark. Our Golden Ticket winner this week has been so helpful and kind, even though he's had a poorly arm this week. But he's been really amazing. He's been determined to carry on as normal and embrace his learning. Well done, Braylon! Here he is. Look at that. Well done, Braylon. Superstar. Do you know what? It's amazing. These children, if they're poorly, unwell, still getting into school, still trying his best, and he well deserves this Golden Ticket. So well done, Braylon. I am proud of you. Well done. Moving on. Here we go. Year 1. Look at Miss Marshall. Says this week's winner has been trying to win the Golden Ticket all year. They've been listening closely to instructions, especially in maths, and to complete amazing work. So really, really well done. Well done to Adele. Well done, Adele. Big cheer, buddy. Yes, you got it. All year, buddy. Well done. Look at you, working so hard on your writing as well. Look at your maths there, sorting. Star worker. Fantastic effort, Adele. Well done. I know Subhan will be really proud of you, so congratulations. Well done. Moving on to Miss Begum. Says this person is very friendly and kind. They come into school eager every morning with a smile on their face. They love to learn and try their best with their work. They're sensible and always listen like a whole body listener. Absolutely they are, and they're always smiling and always have a compliment for Mr. Allen. Every morning I see him, he's amazing. It is Kobe. Here he is. There he is. Well done, Kobe. You absolute superstar. Really well deserved. I know your brother will be really proud of you as well. So congratulations, buddy. Take this home with you today. Thank you. Well done. Moving on. Miss Howkins says this child has worked hard this week and has been highlighted by her phonics teacher for beautiful phonics work. But not only that, but Mr. Allen's even got her on proud work we're proud of. So she's appeared on my wall as well for her amazing writing in phonics. I was blown away this week by her. It's amazing. She's been listening on the carpet and come into school happily with a positive attitude. Golden Ticket goes to Eva. There she is. Look. Superb work. I'm really so proud of you. That handwriting, the writing that you were doing in your phonics was absolutely brilliant. So really well deserved. Enjoy taking this home today. Well done. Moving on, Mrs. Cook says, this child works consistently hard from the moment they come in. They're a good friend to their classmates and enjoy playing with them outside. They always follow instructions and listen carefully in lessons. This child thoroughly deserves this week's Golden Ticket. I totally agree because they are an amazing child. Well done, Paul. There he is. Well done, Paul. Big smile on your face. Keep up that amazing work. Keep up that amazing attitude and being such a kind friend to all of your friends. So really well done. Well deserved. And I know Angel's going to be really proud of you as well. So well done, Paul. Proud of you. Good boy. Finally, this morning, we've got the SRB. The winner this week has blown us all away with their math skills. They're concentrating much more during lessons and as a result are producing better work. We've all been impressed with how much they're reading at home too. I am as well. and he's a totally different boy. He is amazing. Really, really grown up. Really well done. Cooper! There he is. Look at Cooper, look. Maths whiz, look at his face, look, he's concentrating. Reading more. There, look, concentrating. Look at him just, and look at that smile. Well done, Cooper. You should be smiling now, buddy, because you've won the golden ticket. Really well, and Mr. Allen's very proud of you as well, so congratulations. Well done. Well done to all of our winners. Again, as I said right at the beginning, if it isn't you, don't worry. Who knows, could be you next week. Copy these children, okay? Because these children are amazing, and they'll show you how to win the golden ticket. So well done. A little reminder now, Monday is a bank holiday. That means there's no school on Monday. So when we have a bank holiday, that means there's no school. So there's no school on Monday. See you all on Tuesday, the 4th of May. That's when we all come back. We all come back on Tuesday. So Monday is a day off. And then finally, just got some things. So this long weekend, because we've got a long weekend, so we've got Saturday, Sunday and Monday to have a long weekend. Be kind. Ask someone how they are and look after your things. Lots of things Mr. Allen's been doing in assemblies just to remind you. So let's see if we can have a lovely weekend where you're kind, asking people how they are, and looking after your things. Until next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.